Mambalikan ko lang po what you mentioned earlier. You said, do not speak for the defense, speak for the impeachment court. I think this was regarding to spokes tungkol ng impeachment court. You also reacted on yung sinabi po ni Spokes Bukoy doon nga kay against Tonggol. Sabi mo, as a spokes, you speak for the body that you are representing. Yun yung tingin ni Attorney Bukoy. Kayo rin po ba? Tingin nyo, yun yung ginagawa ni Tonggol? He's speaking for the defense team.
Well, yun yung lumalabas dun sa pag-question niya eh. In fact, I think nabanggit din to ni Attorney Bukoy, yung hindi pagtanggap ng House dun sa dokumento na walang kahit na anong nakalagay na label, wala naman kaming narinig mula sa defense team. Ang sumita ay ang spokesperson. So, hindi naman, in normal courts, hindi naman i-call ng court pag hindi tinanggap ng isang party yung entry of appearance. So, again, wag ipasa sa kamera yung paninisi na lalong-lalo na for an entry of appearance, yung hindi pagtuloy. Kasi yun yung ini-insinuate niya eh, na dahil hindi natanggap ng House, nadadagdagan yung pagkaantala. Hindi naman din yun. Alam naman natin na hindi yun dahilan.